OTO. What it is? So its full form will be one-time offer. But what actually it is? Let's understand with a simple example. Suppose you have your sales page, and in those sales page you are selling something. You have your products, and suppose a person comes to your sales page. He watched your product. Okay, he loved your products, and he saw the products, everything details. He saw the benefits, features, and everything you mentioned on the sales page. And finally, he takes a decision to purchase it. So now he will goes down. He will see the pricing. He will select on the offer which he want, and then he will go to checkout page. On checkout page, he will do the payment and all these things. And finally, he have purchased your product. Now you will deliver the product to his email ID, right? And then after the purchase, the person will go to the thank you page. Means after the sales page, he will go to checkout page, and after checkout page, another page will open after successful payment. That is the thank you page. Means in those page you can write thank you for purchasing the order, for a subscription. You can check your email and all these things. But one more thing you can do here is below that message you can offer something more. Okay, what you can offer? You can offer some premium products, and in those products you will give a huge discount for a limited time. So in this case, suppose you are selling images for a particular wedding or any other organization. You are selling images, but after that payment, when you go to thank you page, you are selling something more. You are selling, suppose, vectors. You are selling illustrations, means some of the premium products regarding the original product. So the person will feel, okay, this is something more. And when you give this offer for some discount for a limited time, it will create a FOMO, and they will feel, okay, I must need this, because see, they have already purchased one of your product, and now they have developed a behavior of purchasing nature for some of the instant. So most of the chances they will purchase the another product also. So here you have made a benefit of taking and selling on the thank you page. And suppose someone purchased the product also, that is also known as upsells, which I told you as OTO. Then they will go to another thank you page, and in that place also, if you want, you can sell something more. So that will be OTO 2. And if they purchase this, you will take them to another page, that is OTO 3, if you want to sell them. So in this way you can have a list of OTO 1, 2, 3 and 4, and your revenue will go and start increasing more and more. And also the person who is purchasing will get starting more benefits out of it. So make sure you sell something more even after someone purchase only one product. So your revenue will also increase, the person will also get benefited, and you take the maximum advantages. So if you have some questions, any doubts, let me know in the comments. This is Ajay signing off.